Okay, sir, I need to have you back up.
No, I'm gonna stand right here.
Okay, you can stand. That's good. It's officer
Look
safety.
at this guy.
Yeah.
Officer safety. What law is that?
Huh? It's
What
not
law is
law.
that?
I'm just walking on the sidewalk.
No. Can I get your name?
He just told you no.
No? You're not gonna give me your name?
No.
Utah CopWatch has been around for a long time, folks. When I first started my channel, him and I spoke and found a mutual respect for each other. Recently, he and I began speaking more frequently and have become good friends. He records police in the state of Utah. He's very respectful in his work, and he goes out in the snow to go record as well. Recently, he stumbled upon a very disrespectful cop who was harassing a woman for no apparent reason. I guess he just wanted to be a bully. Utah CopWatch interviews the woman at the end of the video, and you'll hear exactly how the cop treated her. Not just from her, but other nice ladies that were inside the business as well. And to make things abundantly clear on how much of an ass clown this cop is, he decides to act childish and harass Utah CopWatch simply for recording in public. I will drop the original channel link in the description and in the pinned comment. Please go follow my friend's channel and let him know that I sent you. Here's your video, folks.
Videotape all you want, you just step back, okay?
I think many people have gotten sick and tired of this officer safety nonsense. I think it's clear as day that police officers just want to protect the wrongdoings. What is this nonsense about you can record all you want, just stand back there? What is this cop trying to hide? Let's keep watching the video to find out.
Your driver's license ID. Sir, again, you can video all you need to. You don't need to tell me to be quiet. Sir, I need you to step forward.
Hola, señora. Yo hablo español también. Cálmense. Cálmense. ¿Qué está pasando?
No sé qué está pasando, no sé.
She's
Yo
a
trabajo
menacing
aquí, pero no
young
sé,
lady
me
too.
paré, no sé por qué me paró.
¿Por qué está llorando?
Porque me gritó, porque no sé qué, me iba a llamar para que me traduciera, pero me gritó. Yo no sé por qué me grito.
Estoy aquí para traducir, para ayudar, ¿ok? Necesito su licencia de manejar, también su aseguranza para el
Ok,
vehículo.
lo que pasa es que yo acabé de sacar el carro. La aseguranza la están haciendo hoy.
¿Ok?
Y venía para mi trabajo porque yo tengo que abrir a las 9 de la mañana.
Bueno, necesito su registro para el vehículo y aseguranza para el vehículo, ¿se entiende? ¿A dónde va? She wants to get.
Okay, sir, I need to have you back up.
No, I'm gonna stand right here.
Okay, you can stand. That's good.
Look at this guy.
Look at this guy doing traffic stop. You're right. It's officer
Look
safety.
at this guy.
Yeah.
Officer safety. What law is that?
Huh? It's
What
not
law is
law.
that?
I'm just walking on the sidewalk.
Go deal with your traffic stop.
I
Get
have
away
a
from me.
partner. I can't speak Spanish and I haven't translated.
Who are you? What's your name? What's your name?
We're good to go here.
Hated this clown.
You're right. The clown with the video.
Such an idiot, dude.
Yeah.
I saw the way you were treating her too.
Oh, you did.
Yeah.
You don't even know what's going on here, sir.
Razón
So,
para el-
Check out this guy.
yeah.
All right, we'll find out who he is. Is he a Taylorsville officer? I'm trying to, but he doesn't answer.
Well, I was trying to talk to you, sir. You didn't want to
Hey, I don't think your chief's gonna like you acting this way. I know your chief really good.
Yeah, what's his name then?
I'm not talking to you.
Yeah, see, you don't know his name.
Sir.
Go.
There's another lead officer.
Just the first.
License.
Insurance and speed. Okay.
What's your name, sir? You're a public servant?
I wish I had time just to drive around and just videotape
violation of the First Amendment.
I'm pretty sure in public space you can walk where you want.
Yeah, you can't block my camera.
You're capable of walking wherever you like, sir.
The ignorance of the law is not an excuse, man.
Yeah, I couldn't agree with you more.
Police officer here. Do you want to identify, sir? Excuse me. You want to identify?
I'm a Taylorsville officer.
Can I get your name?
That's as far as it's going today.
I'm not talking to you.
That's okay.
No.
Can I get your name?
He just told you no.
No?
I don't have a
I'll
reason
talk
to give
you,
it to
Chief.
you. Thank you, though.
I asked you for your name. You're supposed to identify yourself in the public.
I'm a Taylorsville police
I
officer.
can read that.
He's
Can I get your name?
TY161. TY161.
That's my badge number right there.
Can I get your name?
That's as far as it's going, sir. So,
Right there.
Can I get your
like I
name?
say, we're conducting
No.
an official investigation. You can interfere at this point. I've asked you to step back.
You're the one interfering with me. I was way back.
How am
You're
I
the one
interfering
in
with
front
you?
of my face.
Okay, sir. I appreciate that you've got to know and you understand the law, and I appreciate
Obviously,
that.
you don't appreciate it. You don't appreciate the First Amendment whatsoever.
Okay. Why don't you go read the First Amendment? If I restrict
Why
you or
don't you
hold
read
you...
it? Why don't you read
Exactly.
it?
Go with it.
I just can't believe Taylorsville is like this.
Hey, Hood. You want to open your door? He wants to videotape your screen. That's it, Hood. Sorry about that. They can't, it's actually protected information there, sir.
What law is that?
It's I'm just letting you know it's protected information.
What
Let's let
law
you
is
know.
that?
No, I'm just letting you know that
Well,
that's protected.
I'll let
We're
you
like
know that it's your job to protect that, not my job.
Yeah, it is. It is.
You want to start all over? You want to give me your name?
Oh, well, we've already started. When I first started talking to you, you didn't want to talk here, and you're actually not part of the situation. I asked you to step away. You chose not to.
I did step away. I wasn't close to you. I was way far away
Okay,
from you.
so actually,
You came up to me and you got in front of me.
Okay.
Didn't you?
That's
Didn't
all right.
you?
That's okay.
Didn't you?
That's okay.
It's not okay. Are you from Taylorsville?
Right now, I'm in West Valley.
I say,
If I
do you
cross the
work
road
for
over there, that's
Taylorsville?
Taylorsville,
You
and if I
work-
jump
you work
over
for
here,
Taylorsville?
I get over to West
See how
Valley over here.
snotty you are? See how snotty you are? Simple question I'm asking. Are you from Taylorsville Police? He was screaming at that lady. That's what she was crying. He was just yelling at her. She was asking for someone who speaks Spanish. He was just yelling at her. He did a good job. That's what you gotta do. Shut it down so no one see the information. That's what you gotta do. Have no complaint on this officer here. This officer here, and the undercover one, fine complaint. This guy was yelling at her. That's what she was crying. She was scared. She scared the hell out of her. That's what he did. He just scared her. Probably gets a kick out of scaring women.
I'll ask around. Yeah, thanks.
Hey, but so far you being the only professional, can I get your name? I'm not talking to you, sir. I'm talking to him. Can I get your name, Bash? I'll talk to your chief right now. I'm going to go over there and complain on you guys.
Okay.
Can I get your name?
Alright guys, and you heard Utah CopWatch said that this cop was a little professional, and I was thinking the same thing, and it seems to me that he was about to identify until the original stupid cop decided to tell him to not comply. And we see this often, folks. Many times you'll see several officers in one area and you'll ask one of them to identify. When that officer identifies upon request, the other police officers follow suit and identify as well. But in many times you see a police officer not wanting to identify and the other officers don't identify either. These are patterns that we see. Start paying attention to it. And just because a cop has a good attitude or a smiling face, that doesn't mean they won't violate your rights. Because all of the cops that I've encountered, like 99% of them, don't know the First Amendment of the Constitution. Keep watching.
Sir, I'm not really dealing with you. The traffic
Asking
stop.
for your name. As a member of the public, I'm asking for a name.
Okay. My badge number is right here for you.
So you're not going to give me your name?
No.
I thought you were professional. This guy's a jerk. Man, I thought he was going to beat her up. That's why I came out right away. I don't know. He was following her, and then I saw he was following her, so I came in here, and as soon as I pulled up, he had his hand on his gun, walking towards her. So violence toward her, because he was yelling at her.
Oh, yeah.
That's why she started crying.
I was sitting inside and I told her I heard someone yelling at me. And I was like,
Yeah.
like that.
Yeah, if you guys ever see something like that, take out your phone and start recording. All right, guys, look at how she's terrified right now. She is crying and crying. This guy, this officer, undercover guy, treated her like if she's a criminal, like she just committed a crime, that she just murdered somebody. I caught him walking towards her with his hand on his gun. Ok, ¿qué fue lo que pasó? ¿Qué fue lo que pasó? ¿Qué fue lo que él hizo a usted cuando llegó a su carro, a la puerta?
Comenzó a gritarme como un loco y gríteme, me quitó el celular. Me decía que no puede, es que no sé inglés. Yo le decía, voy a llamar a alguien para que me traduzca, o sea, como que no es pánico. Comenzó a gríteme. Y me quitó el teléfono, me lo tiró y me decía que me sentara y que me metiera al carro. Pero me trató muy feo, me gritó muy feo. Me gritaba y yo le decía que esperara, que ya iba a llamar a alguien para que me traduciera y él me seguía gritando y me quitó el teléfono.
En algún momento él agarró a usted de la mano.
Sí, me agarró y me tiró a la silla del carro para que me sentara.
Él la puchó a usted.
Sí, para que me sentara.
Él de donde, de su pecho.
Y me quitó de la mano y me quitó el teléfono y me lo tiró.
Y lo puso arriba
puso arriba del carro y yo le decía que me lo pasara y me decía que no. Cuando el otro policía llegó, me dijo que él me había parado porque el carro no tenía placa, pero es que él tiene el permiso ahí atrás, que él no lo vio, que él no había visto el permiso y el permiso está ahí atrás.
Entonces no le dieron ni ticket ni nada.
Sí.
¿Ticket de qué?
Ahí lo tengo. Porque me dijo que venía en la Banger por a 70 cuando...
Oí que las personas que estaban en el restaurante aquí adentro hasta salieron para afuera porque
gritó muy duro.
Estaba gritando muy duro, ¿verdad? Y entonces en ningún momento él le quiso ayudar ni nada.
Me gritaba y solo me gritaba.
Alright, so the reason why we did the traffic stop, it was because there's no license plate on the vehicle, okay? But there's the permit right there. It's right there, okay? So that was the reason for the traffic stop. And then after he saw that, he told her that she was going over the speed limit.
Alright folks, here's the update. A complaint has been made, but Taylorsville Police Chief Brady Cottam thinks that Detective Scott Lloyd's actions are within policy. Chief Cottom dismissed the notion of any wrongdoing of Sergeant Lloyd. Mayor Christy Overson, City Council members Ernest Burgess, Kurt Cochran, Anna Barbieri, Meredith Harker, and Bob Knudsen, along with the city attorney, need to be aware that these kind of cops ruin the trust of the people. If they don't step up to save the people from bad cops like this, who will? I believe they need to address the issue or face public scrutiny for ignoring it and allowing it to get worse. A future lawsuit may be avoided if they act in accordance to the law to provide good service to the people. I want to give a huge shout out to Utah CopWatch for doing tremendous work out there. Folks, he's already won a lawsuit for his rights being violated. Definitely go subscribe to his channel. I'm going to drop the link in the description and in the pinned comment. I want you guys to have his back like I do. And let's let these public officials know that we the people are watching and paying attention. Thank you all for tuning in. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.